I ordered this 2-pack of replacement filters that we need to use with our portable vacuum cleaner that we have here. So let me go ahead and open this up, let you see the filters, and show you how to put them in the vacuum cleaner. So these are the replacement filters here, and what's nice about them is that, they're the regular filter, but they also have this really fine mesh that is slid over the top of these filters that should help catch anything really big that you can just dust off that will get caught on this little mesh. And then of course anything that's really fine that needs to be filtered out will get caught by the paper filter in there. If you look at the manual on your vacuum cleaner, it shows you how you can clean these filters to get more life out of them. Now let me show you where you put these on the vacuum cleaner. All right, so to change the filters on your vacuum cleaner, you just pull off the holding cap on it, which will then get you to the cone of the vacuum cleaner. And there's this lock and unlock image here. You just turn it to unlock, and then here's the vacuum cleaner comes off. You set that down, and here is your filter. You just grab this and you pull the filter out. This would be dirty typically, and if you're wanting to get rid of it, of course you probably tried to clean it a few times, so then you're at the point now where you would just throw it away. And of course you would have debris that was all collected inside of this cap that you dust out. But this is still a good filter, so I'm putting it back in, which is basically what you would do with this. You would take one of these, push it down into this part of the cone here. Then you again would come over here, line up this arrow with the image on the vacuum cleaner, and then just set it to lock. Then you can just put your storage cap on it, and now it's back to being usable. All right, so I hope that video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, if you would subscribe to the channel, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.